Today, I'll show you how to do your Guarda crypto taxes. Hello, my name is Nelly and welcome back to another wallet integration video. Today we're specifically talking about Guarda and how to do your crypto taxes, obviously with the help of Koinly. So I'll tell you a little bit about the wallet, a really straightforward one today, not much to talk about, to be honest. And then we'll jump into the integration, which is also, I think, pretty straightforward. And then I'll show you where to get the necessary tax documentation. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So Guarda is a crypto wallet. It was founded in 2017 and it's based out of Lisbon, Portugal. It is a very simple wallet. All you can do is basically buy crypto, exchange crypto, and earn, so nothing crazy in terms of functionality. In terms of earning options, there actually is some decent percentages, some decent yields. So on Ethereum, you can get up to 4.5% almost, and they have some other stuff like Cosmos or ADA, where you can also earn anywhere between 4 to 25%. So some nice yield options, which is cool to see. But otherwise, there isn't really much to talk about with this wallet. So that's enough about the wallets. Let's actually talk about the integration part of this video. So first and foremost, as always, log into your Koinly account, head over to the wallets area, and then click on add wallet. You're going to type in Guarda, and this will pop up. So there's two different options. First is the setup auto sync, and there really isn't API keys. You're gonna have to use public and private keys to be able to import your data, which is pretty straightforward. Obviously, I'll show you that. The other option is to use the CSV file, which also isn't really, it's not a great one. I think the auto sync is much easier because their file actually doesn't have a lot of information in terms of, transactions and stuff like that. So I would strongly recommend using the auto sync, and I'll show you how to do that. So we have a few different options depending on what we're trying to import. So for Ethereum and ETH tokens, we would click on connect blockchain button. We would find Ethereum, and then we would enter the Ethereum public address. So let's click here, connect blockchains, click on Ethereum, and now we need a public address. So if we go back to our wallets, we have, our Ethereum stuff right here. So we have a receive and we have a send. So we're gonna click on receive, and this is our wallet address, which we would copy and paste and click import. And there you have it. All your Ethereum transactions would be imported from your Guarda wallet. Okay, so for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Dash, Litecoin, you would need to enter the XPub, YPub, or ZPub for each of your coins. So once again, we would click on blockchain. Let's click on Bitcoin, and then I'll show you where to find the address for this one. Okay, so that was Ethereum. Let's talk about Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Dash, Litecoin, BSW. So you would need to find your XPub, YPub, ZPub for each of those coins on Guarda wallet, which I will show you how to do that. Click on the connect blockchain again, and then you'll create separate wallets for each of those, each of your coins to enter the keys you found in step one. So we click on, let's say, connect blockchains, and we go click on Bitcoin. And here we're gonna go back into our Guarda wallet. And if we click this little cog, that will actually take us to this page, which is also the page where you would get your CSV export. But as I said, it's a very limited export, so I would strongly recommend using, creating a file manually, but we'll talk about that after. So anyways, here is the Bitcoin. We would click on private key, and then here is the address. You can enter your Guarda password, and there is your, there is your private key. That's what you're looking for, not this address. This is the one you want. So copy and paste that into Koinly and click import, and there you have it. Now you've imported your Bitcoin transactions. So there we have it. If you want to do any other stuff like Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, it's the same procedure. You would go into your area here and you would find that crypto. Like, let's say we can go to Doge, private coin as well, type in your password, and there it is. There's your private key. So that's how you would import your, let's say, Dogecoin. So anyways, for all other coins, click on the connect blockchain button, find your coin in the list, and enter the public address and click save. Really straightforward stuff. If you have any problems with that, obviously leave comments in the below, but I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so looking at the import from file option, I will strongly recommend that you use or create, a CSV file, because if we go back into our, Guarda wallet here and we click on export balances, it's going to show you this on this current screen, and that's a very limited document without any transactions. So I will leave links down below if you'd like to create your own manual CSV files. And just for your reference, if you do decide to go down that route, you would take that file and drag and drop it into here, and click import, and then you would load in your transactions into Koinly. But there you have it. You've added all your transactions. Now Koinly will do the complex part, which is, calculating your losses, your profits, your capital gains, stuff like that. In the transactions area, you can get a breakdown of all the different things you've been doing, all your crypto activity. If you head over into the tax reports area, here you'll get a fantastic summary of your capital gains, your incomes, your costs and expenses, and then you can use this area throughout the year to kind of see where your crypto activity will end up. And then lastly, when you're done with that, scroll to the bottom and select a tax plan that's appropriate for your needs. In tax plans, we have aplenty. So for the US, we have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax, both online and desktop versions. We have reports for the UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland, Australia, and then lastly, Canada, Germany, and other countries. We have the complete tax report. And just keep in mind, this is a document you can give directly to an accountant and then combine it with your other tax documentation to submit. Or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, make sure to check your country's rules and regulations, because this tax report might be deductible. But that brings us to the end of this video. If you need some resources, I'll leave them down below. Firstly, starting off with the Koinly Help Center, where we have countless different articles on crypto tax related topics. We have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. We have a forum section where you talk to members of our community as well as our staff. And then lastly, if all else fails, you can send us a message directly and we'd love to help you out. But if you found this video helpful in any way, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.